In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Setmore to Squarespace. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to integrations over here on the left-hand side, and then you want to scroll down a bit until you will see Squarespace over here inside website booking. Click on that and then click on instructions, and then all you have to do is click on copy code over here. Now, when you've done that, go over to Squarespace, and inside your website over here in the editor on Squarespace, click on the Pages tab here on the left under your website. And inside Pages, select where you actually want your Book Now button to be. So for example, I'm going to go with this About page over here, and I'm going to click on Edit. And then all you have to do is actually select an area where you want the button to be. So I want it to be like down here. I'm going to click on Add Block, which you want to do as well. And then you want to type in Embed, and then you want to click Embed over here. And after this, you can basically move this embed block wherever you want. I'm going to put it down here. You want to double click it, and it's going to open up this content. Click on Code Snippet, and then click on Embed Data. And then in here, you want to paste your code. And then all you have to do is simply click out of here or click on the back button. And then as you can already see over here, there's now a Book Now button. So if I now save this, and if I go exit over here, then on the page preview, I'll be able to see the Book Now button. And if I click on it, as you can see over here, it's going to pop up the booking section of Setmore, okay? So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.